Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the KS2 Celebration Assembly. This week is Children's Mental Health Awareness Week, and the theme is Express Yourself. I thought I'd style my hair especially for the occasion. What do you think? I'm sure you look great in whatever you've chosen to wear to express yourself, and that you have a fantastic Friday. Mrs. Lotta has been busy making some mindfulness videos, so if you wish to join us at 1:15 on Monday, the whole Garlinge Primary School community is going to join together for Monday's moment of mindfulness. It would be lovely for you to be able to take part at this time by watching one of these videos on our Team Garlinge YouTube channel. I'm also really pleased to share that our attendance of children learning at home on Zoom has improved again this week. In lower key stage 2, the class with the most children learning online and doing their home learning at home goes to 4C. Well done 4C for the award of Attendance TED. And the class in upper key stage 2, who's been working the hardest on home learning and Zooming and in school, goes to 6D. So attendance TED to 6D, well done, excellent. Let's see if any other classes can beat them next week. Well done to 4C and 6D. Should we give them a really big clap? Okay, now I've got lots of information here about Learner of the Week. And I had many emails from teachers saying they haven't known who to choose because so many people are working so hard. But I do have the final list now. So, for the Learners of the Week in lower key stage 2, in 3A, we have Finley for showing respects in all areas of his learning and trying his best in everything he does in the class 3AB pod. In 3B is Kiwi for applying her new mathematical learning with confidence and accuracy this week. Well done, Kiwi. In 3C, it goes to Indy for her excellent contribution via home learning. And in 3D, Gianni for super focus and determination to improve his learning. Well done, all those children in Year 3. It's lovely to see many of those home learners working hard and achieving Learner of the Week. In Year 4, we have Maria, who gives 110% every day to all of her learning and consistently uses all the Garlinge values in everything she does. Wow, well done, Maria. And in 4B, we have Broden for being an amazing superstar during lockdown and demonstrating his very best in all areas. And in 4C, we have Doran for the enthusiasm he is showing towards all aspects of his home learning, particularly the science lessons on electricity. And in 4D, we have Tiana for the dedication and hard work she's showing towards all of her home learning. So well done to all those children in Year 3 and Year 4 for becoming Learner of the Week. It's really good to see so many of you are working so hard. Even though you're at home, you're still managing to send in the work and sharing that information with your teachers. So well done. Then moving on to Learner of the Week in Year 5 and 6. So in 5A, we have Connor for his fantastic participation in our Zoom lessons. Well done, Connor. It's great to hear. And in 5B, we have Maya for excellent engagement, effort and participation within our Zoom lessons. Another focus on Zoom. Well done, Maya. And in 5C, we have Amelia for her excellent letter writing last week and always trying her best with her home learning. In 5D, we have Ronnie for his excellent maths responses in Zoom lessons. Well done. And in 6A, we have Poppy for always showing an enthusiastic approach to all areas of learning at home, especially with the shadow puppet film. Excellent. Sounds intriguing, Poppy. I'll have to speak to Mrs. Pegden. And in 6B, we have Archie for making very good contributions to the Zoom lessons and creating an excellent persuasive holiday leaflet about Mexico. Well done, Archie. And in 6C, it's Ryan for brilliant attendance and effort in the Zoom lessons this term. And finally, in 6D, we have Oliver for showing enthusiasm and high levels of perseverance in his work on geometry this week. So well done to all those children in years 3, 4, 5 and 6 who I can see are working hard at home and in school to share their amazing learning. Now, before I go, I just wanted to remind you, I look forward to seeing you or look forward to spending time with you during our Monday's Moment of Mindfulness. It would be fantastic if we can all join together virtually as a community at 1:15, and I hope you have an amazing next week. Take care. See you soon. Bye.